How's it looking?
It's looking pretty good out there, Harry. Lots of sunshine, although we did have some mist and fog at first this morning. And look at this. About an hour ago, this was Cromer on the North Norfolk coast. Thick sea fog here. It is slowly lifting, and across all areas we'll see sunshine this afternoon. And feeling pleasant in the sunshine, although the temperature is going to creep up even more tomorrow. So a warmer day on the way tomorrow, but this afternoon brings us further sunny spells. So the reason for this settled weather, high pressure that is over the top of us for today and tomorrow, so it stays fine and dry. We've got a light southerly wind and temperatures around 15 or 16 degrees. There'll be some patchy cloud for the afternoon, but further spells of sunshine to come. And then into the evening and overnight, a lot of clear sky out there. So it will once more be a chilly one, potentially a frost in places, and also the chance of that mist and fog reforming. So these are the values in towns and cities. It certainly could be colder out in the countryside as we start the day tomorrow. High pressure still with us for tomorrow. This weather front is going to approach from the west, and that will mean an increase in wind speed as we go through the day. But once we've got rid of the mist and fog at first, some long spells of sunshine into the afternoon. As that weather front approaches, we'll start to see a little bit more cloud pushing in across western counties later in the day, but we're not expecting any rain, and temperatures climbing to around 17 degrees. But you can see from the average wind speeds that wind will pick up Thursday night into Friday, and this weather front is on the scene for Friday, so we'll wake up to a much cloudier picture for Friday and with some outbreaks of rain at times. That should gradually clear away, introducing some cooler and fresher air. So for a couple of days, certainly the start of the weekend, it is looking cooler, but actually some pretty decent weather out there. Some decent spells of sunshine and dry forecast lasting into the start of next week. It's also looking a little warmer again after a couple of days of cool weather and, of course, several still pretty chilly nights. Harriet.
Thanks, Alex. It's Alex.
Thanks, Angie. And we've had some lovely weather across the region today. It has started to warm up again once more. Some blue sky, some sunshine, the blossoms on the trees here in Bedfordshire. But take a look at Cromer on the North Norfolk coast. This was the scene, sea fog this morning. It did eventually lift, but it certainly has been a bit foggy in places. It was first thing. But the weather we're more likely to see tomorrow is more like this. Perhaps some mist and fog at first, but that should quickly lift. And the outlook is fairly settled. Dry and sunny weather conditions, although we have got some rain on the way for Friday, so a little blip in the forecast there. Now for this evening and overnight, a lot of clear sky around, so that is going to mean a chilly one. We're also likely to see some mist and fog patches reforming, and it is going to be cold enough for a frost. Towns and cities 1 to 3 Celsius, could be chillier out in the countryside as we start the day. Now essentially high pressure is with us for tomorrow. We have got these approaching weather fronts. That will mean the winds pick up through the day, but once that mist and fog has lifted, long spells of sunshine into the afternoon, and with light southerly winds, it will feel warmer than it has done today, up to 17 Celsius. And for the afternoon, perhaps just a bit of cloud just pushing in from the west, and then that wind will start to pick up into the afternoon. It's ahead of this weather front, which is going to sweep into action on Friday, bringing a band of rain across the region for Friday morning. Some of this could be on the heavy side, but it should be out of the way fairly quickly. Quite a bit of cloud left behind, and the possibility of some showers following on behind, and perhaps western counties might see a little bit of brightness towards the end of the day and sunshine, but you can see quite a drop in temperatures for Friday, 11 to 13 Celsius at best, and factor in that northwesterly wind. That is going to make it feel pretty chilly. But then high pressure is back, so it settles itself down for the weekend, and Mothering Sunday looking pretty good. On Saturday it will still be a little cool, but some sunshine around, highs of 13 degrees, looking warmer from Sunday and beyond into next week with a settled weather forecast to come. In terms of overnight temperatures, we're still not free of frosts by any means, and we have got several nights where we're down to around 1 to 3 Celsius, so close to freezing, so still watch out for the frosts. Angie.
Thanks, Alex.
Hello, we saw some fine weather across the region today. There's more on the way tomorrow. In fact, the outlook is looking dry and sunny, although there is some rain on the forecast for Friday. Now, overnight tonight, a lot of clear sky out there, so it is going to be a chilly one. Cold enough for a frost as temperatures drop close to freezing. There's also likely to be some mist and fog patches forming. They could be a little slow to clear first thing tomorrow morning, but essentially lots of fine weather with this area of high pressure still stretching across across the UK. We will see long spells of sunshine into the afternoon. Temperatures are likely to be warmer tomorrow compared with today, with light southerly winds reaching 17 Celsius. And then a band of rain sweeping across the region for Friday, introducing cooler, fresher air. It's looking like a little chilly start to the weekend, but fine weather from Sunday and beyond.